Welcome to Tradunity. As a free member, once you log in, you have access to our dashboard. And here you can see some of our resources, such as courses. To see the courses, go to the Academy section in the top menu. Once here, you will see a number of boxes representing our courses. You have access to the ones that have the label enrolled on them, like beginner mistakes and trading tips, useful to avoid these mistakes, and technical analysis 101, which will teach you about chart reading. Once here, you can explore the topics by clicking on each lesson. And in each lesson, you can mark it after you read it. You can mark it as complete, so you can track your progress. If at any time you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below and we will answer to you, so we make everything clear. Moreover, if you like to do fundamental analysis for your trades, we give you access to our news feed, where you will find crypto and forex news, which will help you take better trading decisions. We also give you access to our announcements, where you will see what we are working on in a general basis. Moreover, if you have anything to discuss, please come to the Discord server, where we have a few chat groups where we welcome any kind of discussions on trading. If you have any questions about our interface, please drop them also in the chat, and me or one of my colleagues, we will answer to you. I hope you have a great day and great trades.